smells of fire, and you just know me just outside. And today we're fishing. Okay, we're fishing here.
What's up, guys? I got any fish.
Say hello, brother. Say hello, brother.
Hello.
Okay, he just my little brother. And this is the first video that I post showing him. And today we are going fishing, right, brother?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get catch some fish. Did we catch one?
No.
Oh, that's bad. Bad idea. There's a lot of dead ones. I know, it's so weird. You got one?
No, guys.
You got a dead one.
It's good.
Let's see, can I catch one? I'm not gonna throw my phone.
Guys, look it. I got one.
Okay, go put it in the bucket
Okay, then we get the
that I made for after making the video. I made the bucket. I fill it with water from here because it could die with water that comes from humans. So I was thinking on making a video, and I was like, we didn't do a fishing video, so this is our first fishing video, right, brother? I know. Yeah, you want to see the dead ones? Oh, look it. You got one.
It's a little bit bigger.
And look it. If you catch a fish, do not leave it out for minutes. It's gonna die. It's gonna super die. It's gonna die. Let me show you these dead ones. We took them out. They're right here. Just over here. There's so many dead. Yeah, we are good fishers. Well, I told you the story how we get being the good fishermen, kids. Okay, look it. This is how we started. When I didn't have a YouTube channel, we just watched raw fishing. That's what we did. And then we knew how to already do it. So, bros, this is the first video of fishing, like I said earlier.
Come on, guys.
Okay, let's come over here. But what, bro? What are you doing?
I was looking for fish.
Okay, you look here for fish, and I'll go over there. Anyways, this is my baby brother. He doesn't wear ads sometimes. You see this? I'm trying to get a fish. Okay. Look here, I got a fish. Put it back in the bucket. Okay. This kid catch one.
He's still alive.
Okay, go put it in the bucket. Anyways, it's beautiful here. I told you how this water comes with fish. We didn't do it actually. Look it. The water from that pond came over here. And we were thinking to get the biggest fish for the entire world, but we can't. Cancel. I never showed my hair videos. Only one video because it's embarrassing showing my hair. Okay, you got a fish.
I see a fish. I see like.
Oh, that's cool.
A little bit snumpy.
That's a better one. Come on, I knew it. Okay, I'm here, but you could see me better. Yes, I'm a smart kid. I'm a nerd. Make YouTube videos. Okay.
Where's the heart to catch it?
Yeah, over there. Last time I made a cardboard thingy, I didn't make a video of that because I knew it's gonna be embarrassing. I hate embarrassing. Yeah. Okay, I'm already got it. Get it.
Oh.
We're so bad at catching fish. And we're so good at getting the back.
I got one. I got two. Mickey, see? He's jumping.
That was bad. There. Anyways.
Okay, let me try my
Okay.
fish to catch it. Oh my.
Okay. Well, you're fishing. I'll go talk to my fans. You better subscribe or no, I'm coming to your house and then I'm gonna steal your important stuff. Just kidding, but still subscribe.
If you're not subscribed, I'm going to come with you and hit you.
Just kidding, he's bad. He's bad. And because we were watching, that YouTuber Infinite, go check him out. He's awesome. Anyways, Infinite, the video that tried to not say wow. Okay, we watched it, and I was thinking to making a video, and I literally told my brother to say that, and I just say, okay, just kidding. Okay, anyways, let's go back to fishing.
I almost got one, but a little
This might be the longest video because I love my videos. They're lame. They're like just a little bit. Okay, he got a fish. He got a fish.
It was a little bit big one, but it was too hard to get it.
I'm
Like,
gonna
if
jump
you're
to the
not
other side.
subscribed, I'm going to come with you. I hate you.
Just kidding. He's a bad liar. Okay, I'm gonna jump to the other side. Oh, I'm so good at this. You want to see me to jump on this side? Okay, go. This might be the longest video. I take 10 minutes to make a video, not today. Okay, he said guys. Every time he says guys.
This fish is already dead.
Yeah.
It's like 20 feet and
Okay. People, we saw him coming and then collect all of the dead ones and put them there because who wants a dead fish? Lame fish. So that's because we no fish. Okay, he caught a fish. He caught a fish. He caught a fish. This might be my first video fishing. Like I said,
look at his eyes, guys. They're so crazy.
they look like dead. It's dead. I'm telling them it's dead.
It looks like an X.
Yeah, looks. The eyes. Look at that. You know what is that thing? It's the duck's poop. Ew. Because it's liquid. I hate liquid. Okay, let's see. Can I catch the fish from there? Okay.